Greetings. I'm back again. Guys, I'm sorry for taking long without uploading. So for now, I'm back full time, and like I was busy with some of things, so I'm probably done now. So I'll upload regularly. So if you want me to play any song, you just comment there, and I will play it. So someone requested this song, which I wanna play now, which says "Hala Language Jesu." Alright, so I will use G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. Alright, so before wasting of time, let's get straight to it. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you know that you are new, don't ever forget to subscribe so that when I upload, you will be notified. Alright, so our song, it's simple, guys. I will start by playing it and break it down after. Alright, it says halala ngo Jesu, halala, halala ngo Jesu, halala, lala ngo Jesu, halala ngo Jesu. Phansi Satani, phansi, halala ngo Jesu. Halala ngo Jesu, halala ngo Jesu. So let's break it as far as we saw the song, right? So it starts on 2, right? It starts on 2, then the progression is 2 1 5, then 1, right? So it's 2 la la la, then 1 second inversion, all right? Then it goes to 5, then it goes to 1, all right? So if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. All right, so it starts on 2, halala, halala. All right, halala, halala ngo Jesu, halala ngo Jesu, halala ngo Jesu, halala ngo Jesu, halala, halala. All right, phansi, phansi, phansi. All right, phansi, phansi. It goes to 4, right? Phansi, it goes to 1. First inversion goes to 5. Like the progression is simple, all right? Laka phansi, but in phansi, phansi. All right, it starts on 4, right? 4, then it comes to 1. All right, it goes to 5, then it goes to 1. All right, 1 is this one. This is a first inversion, then this is a second inversion, then this is root inversion. All right, so yeah, then let's go to C sharp. So these things of inversions, I will teach them on the video which I'm going to upload soon from now. So let's go to F sharp. All right, if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So our song in F sharp, it starts right here on 2. The progression is the same, right? But we are on F sharp now, right? So it starts right here. Sorry, is this one? Oh, is this one? Yeah. All right. La 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 la. All right. Like the bass is simple. It's just you just you see da 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 da. This is F sharp. All right. It starts right here. La 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 la. All right. Then it says la 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 la. then we are done our song. Then you see Panzi, ne? Alright? Is this one. This one, alright? Or you can use this one. But I prefer this one, right? Like use this one, like okay, is this one, alright? Pansy, 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 pansy. The F sharp, the F sharp lovers, alright, is alright. So it's simple, alright. Let's go to C sharp, alright. So the C sharp lovers, the song starts right here, alright. You see, then it comes to 1. I mean to say to 5, then it goes to 1, 2, 2. Sorry, 1, second inversion. Then it goes to 1. Alright, I hope you saw it. Alright, I hope you saw it. It's like then it goes to 1. So this thing is simple, guys. So you just say Panzi, ne? Panzi, you start it here. Alright, you don't move, alright. I hope you saw the song. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah.